Welcome back, generals, to another Let's Fix It Generals in 0 hour to make the best game ever. Yeah, so I was thinking, let me close here a bunch of folders. Here we have CCGs. I was wondering, here we have a file called generals.str with comments. Here. This was sent to me by someone. I think Thompson sent it to me. Which is, I think, from an alpha build or somewhere. Anyway, there are comments in this str file, localization file for generals, comments from EA. And I wonder if we can perhaps merge this into our master language file, which doesn't have these EA comments, because that we generated from the original CSF files, as should, right? Because these are the real files. So I wonder here, how can we merge this? We need a script, Python script. With text compiler, game text compiler, we cannot do this. It will swallow the comments actually right now. Yeah. Also, I don't like the placement of these comments. It's like in between this and this. It's not good. It would be better if the context was placed right above here. Yeah. Oof. Okay. Okay, let's look a little bit around to get an overview of this stuff. Comment. Multiplayer. Yeah. Credits. Yeah, here this makes more sense. Above, right above the label. Yeah. Okay, this is also weird here, this comments. Okay, but this can be cleaned up manually. Yeah. Version strings. Okay. So we need to read the. So we pass through this file. Yeah, we read We hit the first wait, let's go to the top of the file. Yeah, okay. String file for generals. So we hit the first comment. Okay. What we can do is, for starters, anytime there is a comment or context with nothing else behind, we can omit this comment because that's useless, right? Okay. That's already something. Good. Then every time we have this coming up, when it's behind an end, then it can be dropped right in there. Except it. Yeah. And if it's in front of a text, oof. If it's in front of a text behind an end, and then yeah, it needs to read the next label, right? Yeah. Okay, so if we hit a comment, it needs to check if there is an end, and if there is, then it needs to use the previous label, otherwise the next label, this one. So if this was in here between these two lines, then we check if the next is no, then we check if we had an end here or comments. Yeah. Okay, I think we need to start programming to get the logic. Okay. Let's start to close some folders here because all this folder is confusing me. Okay, let's take this file. We go to design, scripts, str. We make a new file. Merge generals str comments. Merge generals str comments. Yeah, okay, then we copy the generals str here. Let's get a fixed string. Okay, das passen. Okay, then let's open this. Good. Scripts str. Okay, we probably need to start here. Yeah, we can find. We can start with something like this here. I already did a bit of work. Find wrong symbols. Yeah, let's just start with this. Okay. So our generals.str, yeah, we take this. Oh, sorry. Let's take this one here as a base, actually. Okay, so manually create a copy of the source file. Let's do that as well then. So we go here, data, here, data, create a copy, .str.old. Good. Yeah, the reason we do this is so that we run the script and it does the processing, and then we can repeat it, and we can see the diff here with against generals.str. Yeah, it's a good workflow. Okay. Good. So we read the file, we read the lines, and here we do our logic, and then we write it out. Yeah. Okay. Good. Generals.str lines, index, new line. It just modifies the lines. But we need to, so this is just, we need to create a generals.str lines list str generals str. Let's just call it new lines. Oops, sorry, new lines. And actually, how do we do it? The algorithm, we need to. Yeah, okay, I think we need to pass through the original file, this one, the copy we made here. And then every time we hit the label, we need to find the label in our, let's do here generals str with comments. Yeah. And we build apps path. Build apps path. Yeah, it's within the same, is in the same folder, generals.str. Let's call this with EA comments. Okay. So here with op str lines. Okay, here we do with open. We just create a copy of this one. Generals with EA comments, UTF-8. Oof. What kind of file is this? It is a it's probably just an ASCII file. ANSI. Python read file as ANSI. CP recording. Yeah, okay. Well, we can try this or ASCII, guess. Or UTF-8, maybe that's already good enough. We will see. Let's. No, it's not UTF-8, or is it? I don't know. Let's put here as a comments. Do we have inline comments in Python? I don't know. Let's put a comment here for now. Oh, that's not the comment here. This CP or ASCII. Okay. generals.str with EA comments lines. Make it extra large. And then we put the file read lines here. Now we need to recognize where the labels start. How do we do this? Let's see if we have this anywhere else. Stars. Lines, read lines, string multi-entry. Take the STRs. Missing key. What is this here? I don't think we need this multi-string entry stuff. But I would like to there was a lot of logic here. Okay, so the question is, how do we easily recognize this label? It is a line that does not start with a quote, does not start with a comment, does not start with a quote, is not end. Maybe. I mean, the alternative would be to get all these keywords here. But I don't have a list of that. But perhaps that would be the more robust thing to do. Okay. So here so here this is comment. Categories is these two here. Tuple expression not allowed. Okay. Okay. If line starts with this or the other way around, this, is that correct? It's actually incorrect, isn't it? Okay, so if line starts, well, let's remove it then. If line starts with comment, we continue. If line starts with a quote, then also continue. Hold on, there's AR and no. We need to know the categories. Okay. Label label names. We need a list of the label names. Okay. Okay, how about we just run this here to gather this let's comment all this. If line dot, or no, I think in Python we say if colon inline, then let's put a map here. Map. Well, we can't do it. Let's just m equals this. Or how do we do a set? Python set. Python sets. Python set unique. Okay, I have no idea. Maybe we just do it like this. Maybe this works. Okay, if this align m dot add line. Okay, and then when everything is done, we put a breakpoint here. Yeah, and then we take a look at what is inside m. Let's see. Python debugger. UTF-8. Okay, so that has troubles with that encoding. Okay, then let's try a different encoding. Oh, I just realized now we screwed up here. This belongs here. My mistake. Okay, so let's try this then. CP. Okay, and we enumerate this one. Index line. Okay. Let's see what we get. There we go. Okay, so M. Yeah, there are a bunch of things inside. That's good. How about we need to clean this up for the line is how do we find line dot find here? Okay. Okay. This returns what? An index. Okay. Then let's do index if index if index larger equals 0, then I think Python syntax is line colon index line equals this. Let's see. Letter. Well, it's a prefix. Let's do an index plus 1. Prefix. There we go, letter. Yeah, okay. Good, then let's hammer through these. Okay, so M is, where's M? Here. Aha. Okay, there are a bunch of wrong things in here, so that's not good. Okay, it shouldn't start with, okay. If line fine. Okay, if and not is in line. Okay, let's run it again. Aha, there we go. That already looks better. There is a space tooltip. That doesn't look right. Space tooltip. Team. What is the space tooltip thing? Let me see. Let's open the correct file. So here we have generals.alt. Design scripts str, this one, string 5 for generals. Okay, let's search for tooltip. Tooltip. Aha. So yeah, they made a mistake here. Okay. How about let's see if that's already also a mistake here. No. Okay, it's only a mistake here, but let's just modify it then. Okay. Okay. So That means we have all these categories here. Good, this already helps. Then let's get a, can we copy this? Copy. Well, copy. Okay, why can we this copy value? Ah, there we go. That's okay. Ah, good. Let's label names. Then we put this in here. It's a set, right? I hope we initialize it like this. Okay, so we have letter. Ah, by the way, we need to this we need to do it on, hold on generals.str lines. Let me repeat that real quick here. Okay. Maybe it needs to be a list. I don't know. Set is this or it's not? I don't know. Let's see. Okay, then let's copy this one. Copy value. So this should be now. This should be now the labels, all labels from our real generals.str. Yeah. Which is weird. ES? Oh, ES is not right. We need to clean this up. ES is the Spanish. This one. Okay. This one out. DEUS out. Co out. PL. What else? AR. Okay. So color we have error, GUI. I'm just like comparing these now. QM, message, loose. Okay, that's not in there. Message, script, ZH. Oh, that's Chinese. Remove that. Map transfer, map, mouse, FTP, sync template, campaign. Yeah, upgrade. Yeah. Tooltip, object, body, label, mod, dialog, event is not in here. Keyboard, radar, version, LAN, site, team, this abomination chat, yeah. Audio, control, science, credits, dozer, number, tooltip, tooltip. There's a typo. What is this thing? Let's search for this. Two-tip password. This is actually reference. Let's see. Ping. Career win percent. Oh boy. the typos. Okay, so this is... Okay, let's make a comment here. Alias. Yeah. Let's put here alias GUI career win percent. By the way, we shouldn't edit this file here. Let's just take a note for now. We cannot edit this file right now. Let's create a new Kera two-tip passwords. Anyway, that's beside the point. Good. Then let's get back to our script. Script. Where is it? Oh man. Okay. So the two-tip academy. Okay. Load. Enable help. Okay. Map generic network. Okay. But this works. Okay. So then we say label names are these. This one we can delete. Label names. Okay. So do we put it in a nice list? Disable word wrap. Let's put it in a nice list here. Meh. The monkey work. Meh. It's probably a more efficient way to do this. Ah. Okay, so these are our labels. Then we can delete this one here. Okay, so this one seems to be right now. Let's delete this. Okay. All right, so right, so I think what we need to do now is we if line starts with okay, so we need to, we can remove this here. Okay, so we go through those lines. Good. Okay, so generally the line is being pushed into our new lines, right? Here. New lines dot append line. All right. Okay. Actually, no. Before that, something else needs to happen. Line append line. Good. This happens at the end. Yeah. And before that, if is label equals false for label name in label names if line dot starts with label name, then is label. Yeah, true. And then we know it's a label. Good. Then we take this label, we look through. Oh boy, that will be a very expensive algorithm, but it's okay. Okay, and then we search now. Yeah, we search now. We search for this label in the other. Do we need this enumerate thing? Do we need the index? I don't know. Probably not. For line in generals lines. Okay. For let's call this just comment line in generals.str with EA comments lines. Comment line, okay, that's fair. For but there we need index. Yeah, there we need index. So index enumerates this. Let's call this comments index. Okay, so if, oh boy, this algorithm will be so expensive, but it's okay. It's just a script. So if comment line if label name in comment line, or let's say if comment line dot starts with this, yeah. It starts with, well, that's not quite right. line. Command line. Probably need command line dot split. No. Strip. And I will clean it up from white spaces at the end, I think. Okay, let's try this. Command line, I think it returns, right? Yeah. Okay, command line equals command line strip. If command line starts, no, if equals, or is that the thing? Is label name? Man, Python is wild. If command line is label name, I think it means that they're equal, no? Maybe. If command line is label name, then now we need to check. We need to scan forward and backwards if there are comments. And if yes, then we take over those comments. Okay. For E, while I so I equals comment index. While I is bigger than 0, I minus equals 1 and call this comment equals here this I if comment line is a bad name. No, is it not? Comment line. Label name. I think this should be label name. Label name, yeah. But then it collides with this one. Starts with label name. Is label. Hold on, we need here also label name. Label name str. If line starts with okay, let's call this source label name. No, that's the destination. Destination label name, this here label name. Okay. And then we can delete this if we make this empty string. If this means it's a string now, not an empty string, Here we can also do a break. If test label name, then we call here we call this source label name. Source index okay, and we have a sub index I okay, comment if comment dot starts with that thing, then well, then nothing. We need to go, no, that's not right. While I starts with, okay, while I 0. Okay, if comment dot starts with comments, we need comment, man, to be careful here. Comment dot strip. Let's call this just here strip. If comment starts with end, right? We need no case. Starts with no case. If comment and starts no case, then it's done basically. Oh, we need to push. Starts. Okay, we need to break out here. Break. Okay, and then we do a for I for j in range I source index. So now it goes backwards to end, and now it iterates forwards from end to the label to go forwards with the comments. And then if comment, wait, then we take this again here, this. If comment starts with this, then new lines dot append comment. Yeah. But that will mean that there are no, okay, this will discard all white spaces, but I think that's fine. I mean, not white, all empty lines. Discard, it skips all the empty lines. Okay, so we got this, and then we say after this, while now we put I equals source index again, and while I smaller equal len So end is len of this, while I smaller or smaller equal, so I think smaller. Okay, well, I smaller end, we will go forwards. Yeah. So I plus 1, and here comment, same as this one, comment. And if comment starts with this, then new lines append comment. Yeah, I think this works. So this is iterate backwards and find end, last end. We are not using J. J needs to be here. Iterate forwards to label and collect comments. Iterate forward to label and collect comments, and then here iterate forward to end, to label end, or just to end, and collect comments. Okay, so if I'm not mistaken, this should catch all the surrounding comments around the label, right? And then at the end we do new lines append, and then that should be it. Let's delete all this. Okay, and then here we have generals new, right, UTF-8, file writes. Yeah, okay, let's see if we see any problems here. Okay, I see problem already. This one is not used. It means there's something wrong. Test label name. Here. Okay, source label name. Why is this not used? Oh, we don't need it because we use the source index. Okay, so I is bigger than 0. It starts decrementing. Last end, iterate forward to label and collect comments. Comment starts with, yeah. Iterate forward. Yeah. Okay, let's step through and see if it does what we wanted to do. Okay, so we need to put a breakpoint here. Okay, this label name GUI. Okay, we have a problem here already, I think. Yeah. Okay, so we need okay, I think line. I think we line. We need to. I Actually, no. Do we? I think we need to. Yeah, let's line.strip here. So we clean up the line here. And now lines. Okay, how about line.strip here? Okay, we take this out here, but append line, right? Let me see, how do we do it in other files? It's file, lines, read lines. Okay. Okay, line. Okay, we strip line and then here new lines. Do file. I think here we need to file write n for the line break. And here we strip the line break. Then here we can just take this. Okay, let's see where this goes. Okay. Test label name. Good. Game options. Okay, string file for generals. If okay, now it needs to search through all these things. Okay, it never hits this here. Python compare strings. Huh. Just two equals. Okay. Okay, that works. Okay, while if I comment, if starts with no case, comment end. Okay, so it keeps iterating until it finds an end, and here it does. Okay, so it breaks, and now it searches forward. You can probably search I plus range I plus n, we can probably I plus 1, I mean, starts with, no, okay. And now it searches forward. Comment, button to go. Ah, yeah, okay, there's a comment, starts with that. New lines, append, so yeah, a new line. Here we can probably do a continue. Game options. End. Yeah, break. Yeah, okay, so this looks like it will work. Let's optimize a little bit here. Continue. And then what else? Continue. I think put a continue here as well, but it doesn't matter. It's pretty much the same. Okay, and here we can put I plus 1. Okay, but I expect this will still be a super long algorithm. Okay, but how about we let this run now? Let's see what this does. Yeah, so the problem is it for every label it encounters, it will try to find this label in the other file. By enumerating all lines. Yeah, and that is super expensive and takes ages. How about we first go through all labels in this one file and we build a map. We build a map with labels to indexes. Yeah. That should solve this problem. So here, no. Yeah. Label names. Well, this one is also expensive. Yeah, this one is also expensive, but I think this is the most expensive. Okay, so we need this one. Labels, label lookup. The naming is shit. Let's call this DST line. Okay, so source label index map. Label index map is a map of str int, right? And then for this generals str with EA comments, source index, if this in this, then hold on, this needs to be stripped. Strip if this in that, then if source label name in label names, then I hope this is how we push. Source label name equals source index. I hope the I hope the syntax is right. I'm not sure. Yeah, C++ programmer working with Python's always a journey. Okay. Good. So this should build the map, and then here in the map we can say here map find test. No, we can't find. Why not? Python find in map. Find. How do we search in a map? I totally forgot. There must be a way, but Python find key and map. Get. Ah, get. Okay. That's stupid though. Get. No, it's not right. Ah, it's a dict, right? Dict. That's a map name. Dot. There we go. Yeah. Python calls it dictionary, not maps. Yeah. Noops. Noops, noops, noops. Okay, so it's a get. So this is test as source index. Source index this. Over here we need to put an assert source index. This must be larger than 0. Source index if source index well, I hope this just works. Maybe. Okay, and then we can save on this. Good. And that should make the algorithm cheaper, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see. So here's this. Oh, never hits. Well, that's not right. If source label name in label names. Oh, right. If source label name dot starts with if source dot starts with okay, label, got that. Label name. Source label name. Dot strip. For label name in label names, if how about we just call it source line, then we strip if source line hold on. Yeah, for label name in this. Okay, if source line dot starts with label name, then we add this to our map. Okay. Source index, yeah. Source label name. That's wrong. Source line. Source index. Okay, there we go. This should work now. Let's try this. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, this looks about right. Yeah. So all the labels, they have their their line index here. Okay. 2800s. Okay, that sounds plausible to me. Good. And then if we step through here, this one is still very expensive. Maybe there should be a map for this as well. But okay, I expect it will be fast enough, perhaps. Eh. Okay, so now here we need to put the breakpoint down here. Yeah, this was a fast lookup, I expect. And then we iterate backwards, forwards, forwards. There's a comment, appends it, eventually finds an end, it breaks, and game options done. Yeah, okay, this looks correct to me. Let's see how long this takes now. Oh, still slow. Still slow, but not as slow, I expect. Okay, it's done. Just a couple of seconds. Okay, yeah, I think we could optimize more, like this lookup here. This is expensive. But yeah, a couple of seconds, it's fine. Good. Then we should now have generals.str new here. Ah, okay, we have an error here. New lines. We need to new lines here. Line. Need to write out the new lines. Okay. Let's put a pass here at the end. Put a breakpoint there. Okay, let's see. Yeah, good. So pass. Then let's see. Where's our? I need to patch here. Edited data. Yeah, okay, the file has grown. Actually, why don't we just open it? No, let's open it in Notepad. Here. Okay, then let's take a look at it. Yeah, okay, so here now we have the context comments. Okay, good. Yeah. Yeah. We also said that we want to skip empty context, right? So we have a bunch of empties here. This context. Okay, then let's do a If okay, now here's the wrong position. We can simplify this code here. While here we make begin index. I just begin is good enough. Okay, begin this while begin is larger than 0. Begin. Well, why don't we just rename I to begin? Yeah, begin. Okay, and here, so this is file end. Hold on. File end. Then we do here end while end and iterate backwards to find previous ends. Iterate forward and find next end. Then we take this, put that here, and here we do begin +1 and for I in this strip. Okay, and here we do comment. Let's do line. Okay, so basically we just search for the begin and end first, and only then we collect the comments in one pass. Yeah, I think that's cleaner. And then in here we can say if here if comment dot starts with what was it, context this, then continue, don't collect this comment. Same with this and comments, and no, not with start, comments is this, right? Is or we use equals, I don't know. You never know with Python. Okay, so if it's one of these four, then we skip this comment and don't take it. Let me see if that still works. Begin, end, seems plausible. Comment, comment, here, context, and that should go through. Yeah, good. Good. Then we can let this run through. This should get rid of all the useless context comments. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Context, find all. Yeah, this looks clean now. All right, good. Then good. Good. How about we now make a review pass to see a proper review pass. So we open git extensions. Let's go to main branch. And yeah, so we press F3 here. And that will open the file. And now we can look one by one how our diff looks. Oh, but this will lag. This will lag because the file is huge. Oh boy. Perhaps we do the review here. That seems to be faster. Okay, let's look here. Okay, we can toggle here. That's good. All right, so let's see. That looks good, 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 good. The file, the file, the file. By the way, I hope you can read it okay. Yeah, I don't know how to change the font size. Maybe it's a bit small for you. For me, it's okay. Okay, well, we don't need to look too closely. We just make a pass if things look generally okay. But I expect that this is okay. It's a lot. Yeah, comments, context. Okay, there are these, I think these strings, they help understand what's going on. There are a bunch of contexts, but we can rename this later. Yeah, let's scroll through a little bit quicker here. Context message informing a quick match server is looking for an opponent. Huh. The following text is not appropriate. Quick match is searching for your optimal opponent. ... And what did the German do? Quick match ermittelt Gegner. ... Well, message after the quick match server is looking for an opponent. Is this a valid label? Player's name with a symbol in there? That is wild. Let me see. Okay, this string is really wild. Player's name. Guess it's valid then. Let's see. Player's name. Maybe it's unused. But I find this really suspicious. Let's put this on our list here as suspicious things. Okay, back to this. Do not translate. Do not translate. Do not translate this. Okay, this one looks weird here. Let's see what's up with that. Huh, okay. That's correct. Back to this. I wonder. No. Well, I mean, the spacing can be fixed manually here. Yeah. I think the important is just that everything is in, which seems to be. Yeah. Yeah, I think this is good. Tooltips. Games being formed. Okay, Let's create a new branch. We call this str comments. Add str comments, or just str comments. Create branch. Okay, so I think our baseline looks done. I'm happy with this result. So let's add these two files and this one. Merge merge comments, merge developer comments into generals.str master file. Developer comments, merge developer comments. Yeah. Okay, I think everything is here okay. Here we can yeah, remove the path. Yeah, it's not necessary. Okay, let's close this. All right, then we put refresh, merge. Okay, so this looks good. Generals.str, let's see. Original str. Actually, we did touch one line. How about we revert that? We didn't need to do that really. Let's keep it original. Unedited. Here, the tooltip. We do line strip, right? So this should work. Let's double check. Line. Here. Line.strip. Yeah, this is not a problem. Good. Then we have this. Merge that. Generals.str. Good. So this generals.str, where is this from? Is this from here? Textures. Well, it's not this one. It's not this. Perhaps it's from better. There's a Korean. Huh? No, this is. I have no idea where this is from. I have no idea. So generals.txt. Generals.str source unknown. Okay, then what do we do? We also take this, merge developer comments into generals.str master file. Yeah, okay, then we commit this. All right. Then let's go to here. Now we can delete our old file. Delete. Are you sure you want to delete? Well, let's keep it for now. Okay, let's search for context without the space here. Okay, let's fix these guys. Replace context. Replace all. Okay, fixed. And then we do comments. There's one comment. Whoa. Here, this one. Okay. Fix. All right. What else was there? Right. Then let's look through the context and see if we can word wrap. How can we disable word wrap? I think it's somewhere in the settings. Hold on. Wow. Ah, no. Visual Studio Code disable word wrap. Okay, control comma, editor word wrap off. Okay, word wrap. Good. Yeah, okay, that's fixed. Good. Context. Okay, basically we just want to is there any blobs here? So this one here we can make another line. Oh, where am I in the list? Huh? 117 here. No? Well, how about we search for comment first? There's not so many. Okay. Do not translate. Fair plates. Okay, I think here we have a space. Player. Okay, here we also make space. Space. Mm-hmm. It's a little bit long here. How about we break it up? Yeah. There we go. I can break it up more. Yeah. It's okay. Okay. Hmm. It says slash is a control character set that stands for new line, but this is wrong. That needs to be like this. That's the correct control character. Okay, I have no idea. This is a hotkey letter. What's going on here with the comments? Tooltips for faction units. Huh? Ah. Huh? And temporary mission intro stand-ins. Ah, okay. Please. Okay, this is probably not applicable. Tooltips for faction unit structure. Jesus. Okay, I think tooltips for tooltips. Let me see. This one. Okay, this is. I have no idea what this comment here is. Seems out of place. How about we search for tooltips? Tool tip. Tooltip colon. Here. The first tooltip, and then we put this comment here. Tooltips for faction unit structures upgrade specials. Is that fair? Who knows? Okay, let me remove this. I have no idea what this is supposed to be. Let's just delete it. And what was this one here? Comments. Okay, I think this should perhaps be at the very top here. What about this string file for generals? Is this being added somewhere? No. How about we add it to the top as well? String file for generals. Okay. Let's call it for 0 hour. General 0 hour. Do we have any other? We can do more comments. Comments. Ampersand. What's comments? Multi-str file. Multi-str file. US English, US English, DE German, FR French, ES Spanish, IT Italian, Korean, ZH Chinese, BP, Brazilian, Portuguese, and that's multi-str file contains US, DE, French, IT, ZH, PP, PL, Polish, Russian, AR, Arabic, good. Okay, ampersand and precedes. Is that correct typing? Precedes. A key mapping. Are there any other special things? Here we have some weird comments. It was a smiley. Wow. That's a smiley. Okay, let's leave the smiley. I thought it's a bug. Well, text error, not a bug. Okay, ampersand precedes key mapping. These are our languages. It stands for a new line. Okay. Sciences. Do not translate. Well, here it says do not translate, adds missing strings. We touched it. Uh-oh. Mouse cursor names. This one looks misplaced because here are other mouse names in front of it. So how about we put it to the first mouse. Mouse. Here. That's the first mouse. Okay. 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 Building construction replaced by the building name. Okay. Comments. Okay. I think that sorts that. Then do we want to look over the what is it? Comments. What was it? Context. There we go. Beacon clear. Beacon clear. Aha, here we have some. This is the first tooltip. Well, not really. I mean, this tooltips. I mean, okay, well. I guess we just have it like so. Tooltips. This one goes here. Yeah. tooltip, context. All right. Three, 8, 8, 4, 5. This must have broken. Previously it would have highlighted the last line we were at. Or not. Well. Great. Three, 8, 1, 7. 8, 1, 7, 6. All right. Radar messages. Context, radar. Great. How about we delete this here? Seems to be a duplicate. 375. 375. 36. There we go. Oh, here we have big error. It's actually a good point. Are there any others like that? Make a really good polishing pass here. 3, 6. Yeah, let's fix those first. I could also have a script that actually fixes that. But I guess we can do it by hand, just scrolling through and seeing. Good, then back to 3, 6 here. Guess we make a space. 352 35292. Yeah. Next. Okay, what do we have here? Context. Okay, I guess we make it like so. Okay. Okay. Send delay. Fresh nuts. Huh. I'm surprised. Ah, they had two tips. Okay. 317. Okay. Well, how about we remove this, put this here. I mean, it's it's kind of useless, isn't it? Let's remove. Let's keep that. Okay. Whatever. Three, 1, 6. Yeah. I don't know. This like some of these texts are like redundant, right? What is this? This makes no sense here. This. Let's remove this. Oh, what is that? Wow. Okay. How about we delete this one? Okay. Well, it's all empty. Okay. The second sentence. How about we remove here some of this? And LAN. Ten, 4. Where is it? 10,004, 7. Yeah. It's yeah, whatever. Begin LAN. Good. And generals online. Well, do we still need this? No. 9. Okay. In-game text. Okay. Version strings. Okay. Uh-huh. Resolution. So it's kind of weird that they have text for this. Okay. Okay, we went through all of them. Then let's review what we have just edited. Okay, so we added this one here, the top comment, yeah. Let's go to the top. Let's put this like so, and put here, and then make another here. Here make changes. Let's call this page 1.0 global changes. Yeah, which is a lot. All right. Comment. Okay. Context, context, context. How about we first stage these guys here? Context. Okay. Okay. Stage. Okay, so here we just fixed spacing issues, inline, white space. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Fix inline spacing of developer comments in generals.str. Right. Commit. Okay. Next. Then we. Yeah, then we rearranged a bunch of things here. GLA mission text, we removed this. Because it's a duplicate, it has been two times. What about the China mission? Here there's no China mission thingy, okay. GLA open. Okay, here one actually, we can put this one back. Yeah, this one. Good. Good. Yeah, I think that makes sense. Okay. Then let's update this. So we move this here. This comment is on the top. Multi-SL contains this comment. Precedes the key mapping. Global changes. Actually, we should comments should be exclusive to developer comments. Yeah, how about that? So let's go back to the file. Let's go to the very top. Page 104 multi-str file contains these things. Ampersand. Let's put this up here. Okay, I think this is fair. Let's put some additional information here. Generals.csf files are generated for each language are generated from this file. There's one more thing. Search for core here. Patch 104 core. The following comment opens a core bundle specific text block. The following comment closes course code block, so this is here end. And then we have same with optional bundle. It says here page from core bundle, optional bundle. This is optional. And we delete this again. Okay. Then this helps explaining this file, hopefully. Let's get back to okay, so let's put another here. Okay. Let's put it here. All right. Okay, good. Okay, good. Then this will be polish or improve comments, spacing, and contents. Spacing, position, spacing, positions, and content, and add additional useful comments. Comment spacing, positions, and additional. Okay, I think this will do. Commits. Okay, I think that is enough for now. Or actually, there's one more thing we can do. While we edit, let's go in here. Fix capitalization. Copy. I have no idea if I read it correct. Capitalization, right. Capitalization. Plural. Dot py. Okay, let's open that file. Game files. Where is it? Okay, copy this. Build ups pass, generals.str. With open for line. If line starts with context. Words. Search words. Context. And comments. And there are 4 words in search words. If line dot starts with words, then right line. I don't need all this here. If line starts with words, then line can we just index it? I think so. Len words. If len words equals line word dot lower upper. So basically we want to have it start with uppercase character because it's inconsistent right now. Okay, I think this will work. Perhaps. Let's see. Did we submit? Yeah, okay, let's revert this one here. Don't need that. Revert. Alright, and Python debugger, run and crash. str object does not support item assignment. Python change character in string. And seems to be okay, but perhaps this creates a string. Yeah. Change Python change character capitalization in string. Huh? Using upper. That's complicated. Bah. Okay, so so you cannot change a character like this. You have to construct a new string in Python. So I think we have to do there. So let's do e index len, and then we do line e plus line e upper, and then plus line I plus 1, like this, I think, maybe, who knows. Let's see. Put a breakpoint. Let's put a pass here, we can debug it. Okay, so words I is 11, actually. Yeah, it's okay. So we want to comment n is a control character. Oh, starts with. Okay. Let's do line starts with this and line dot lower line. No, is lower line is lower. Yeah, maybe this. Bam, crash. Oh, right. Okay. Okay. Okay, line key functionality description. There we go. And now the key should be uppercase. Nice. Good. Pass. Okay, this should fix it then. Let's see. And let's close this. And what happened? Well, line. Okay, it writes to a temporary. Well, that doesn't help. So we need to here index like that. There we go. Let's rerun it. Is it done? Yeah. Okay, there we go. Great. Great. Okay, let's have a quick look to make sure that nothing is wrong. But I expect it's all good. Okay. Fix capitalizations of developer comments. Fix capitalization of developer comments. Yeah. Okay. Commit. All right. And then there's one more thing I would like to do. And that is search for all context. And we search for all long strings and we break them a little bit up so it's easier to read them without scrolling. So this one, for example, is quite long. How about that? Yeah. Okay, next. Button use in several menus and screens. Button used in several menus. The file. This was written by a gangster. The file could be anything. A game, replay campaign, etc. Okay. Next. Maximum. Milliseconds. My God. Boah, this is super long. Milliseconds. receives an answer. My God, Frockem. Frockem. It's not translated. Okay. Good. Next. This one is long. Quick match button. Quick match is a service where the server looks for a similar stuff. Okay. How about looks? Okay. Okay. All right. Oof. Participate. Okay. Well, it looks like we have a lot of stuff here. Oh boy. Existing. I need water. All right, back. Okay, information tool tab. All right. Oof. Jesus. How long is this? Okay, insertion. Okay. Actually, list of players. From time to time, EA will upgrade the game. Yeah, from time to time. 100 years ago. Yeah. Okay, goes smoothly here. multiplayer game loses synchronization data between different players. When a multiplayer game loses synchronization, comma. This measures. CSC. Okay. Please. Not to use copyrighted names. Yeah. Okay. Making good progress here. Okay, people editing the string file. Let's think for a second. This label says singular. The one above says plural. Let's not say seconds here, okay? Okay, man. Calm down. Calm down. He's yelling in my face. Okay, okay. Should I respond? Okay. That's funny. When a multiplayer game loses synchronization data between the different players, comma, this message. Good. We have seen this before. Good. Let's keep on moving here. Do not alter the order of the variables and do not remove the line break. Okay, let's put here this. All right. The second sentence is unnecessary. Okay. Making progress, yeah. So pretty comments. Okay. Help text. Okay. A ready point is a predefined path that the units follow when they come out of buildings. This is a cursor to define the end of that path. All right. Okay. How about we simplify this? Technical, tech, tech buildings. Tech. Tech. All right. GM Hummer like car. Be careful to not use the copyrighted term Hummer. UN, United Nations. Yeah. What is this? Building. Okay. The user has selected to load the game. This confirmation. So dots. All right, there we go. Technical. Context. Oh, we're almost done here. Let me search for this here real quick. Okay, it's the last one. Technical, tech. All right. Default message. Eh. Okay. Again, he's yelling here. Yelling. Okay. All right. Jesus Christ. I think the comments are quite useful. Okay. Galaxy. Okay. Okay, we are through. Fixed all the long strings. Should fit well within a regular screen now, without side scrolling. Let's take one more look. Yeah. If it's still too large, then I guess you buy a larger monitor. Yeah. Or you fix it more. Okay, I think this, at least for me, this will work. Yeah. Good. Then let's look at this. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Has to be all consistent here, yeah. Good. Let's see. Yeah. Good. Then we call this shorten long developer comment lines. Shorten developer comment lines that are a bit too long. Okay. Then we commit this. And I think that's good enough for a first pass. Probably a lot of errors like grammar and spelling mistakes in these developer comments, but yeah, I can't fix this all now. I think it's fine. Okay, good. Then we'll push this. I think we can merge this soon. Yeah. add developer comments to generals multi str file. This change adds and polishes developer comments, adds and polishes developer comments to the generals.str file. The source of the source of the file is unknown, but the comments are from original developers. Okay, let me call this documentation. By the way, we need to test if this actually still builds. Builds. Let's run the game and see if the text looks normal. In principle, I think there are not many validation checks in the file. If something goes wrong, I think the text compiler will not warn. I don't know. Okay, but this looks normal on first sight. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, we can do one more review. Yeah. Okay. This change adds and polishes developer comments to the general.str file. The source of the file is unknown, but the comments are from the original developers. – 15,000 lines. Holy shit. Okay. That is... okay, because we added this. Because we added this file. That is 13,000 lines long. Okay. Makes sense. Okay, the comments are 1,700 lines. Okay, that's more reasonable. Yeah. I was already 15,000 comments? Nah, hell no. No. Okay, well, it's actually quite a lot of content there to read. So you guys better get your reading glasses and start reading all the comments. Good. Then I think this is good. Yeah. All right. So what's the time? 3 hours 30. Yeah. I think we will end it here. I think there was good effort. The comments should help to understand what these different strings mean, you know, when editing the languages. Yeah. Wow. Okay. This one has difficulties loading. Yeah. I mean, some things are kind of self-explanatory, but other things, if you don't know what it exactly refers to, then these comments are golden, right? Option screen, low detail setting. Yeah, this is really good. Gives you a very quick understanding of what this is. Otherwise, you can also get an understanding of these things if you search for this string, like this label. So you select it. I hope I have it selected. And then you search. Okay, that's not a search. Let's type here GUI OK. And then you look for where it's referenced, right? So for example, here you see It's referenced in this in-game pop-up message, difficulty select, GameSpy login profile. So it's this one is used a lot, right? So let's see GUI description. Let's see this. The description. That is unused. Great. Load is probably used in replace menu. Yeah, several replays and game save. Yeah, okay. Yeah. All right, then yeah, I will end this video here. I hope you enjoyed this session. We did accomplish a little bit of stuff. That's good. All right, then have a great day or night. Until next time. Goodbye.